I have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. Hey, Stukulele from Uke Mullum here. Thanks for dropping by. You've landed on a uke tutorial for Elvis's Blue Christmas. And it goes like this. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't mean a thing, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. And of course, you could repeat that a few times, chuck in a solo. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that and click the notification bell so you never miss a uke tutorial. You can also support us at patreon.com/Uke Mullum. That's where you'll find the song sheet for this song. Merry Christmas, everyone. I want to make a very special Christmas thank you to my good friend Lynn McCarthy, who without her help, come here Lynn, none of this would be possible. Merry Christmas. See you next time.
There's a swirl in the sun and a swirl in the sky. There's a smile on the face of everybody passing by.